Hello! In this video, I will show you how to make an origami space rocket. This origami rocket is very simple to make, but I very much like its retro look with two colors. And with a single piece of paper, you can make two rockets with different colors. This model is an original origami model that I created. You will not find it anywhere else. So don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun origami models. Thank you! To fold the origami space rocket, you need a square piece of paper with a different color on each side. And in fact, we only need half of the square, so you get two rockets for the price of one. So first, fold the square along one diagonal, mark the fold, and unfold, and then cut the square along this diagonal. So you can use scissors or a cutter like this one. So there are two versions of this rocket. There is a very easy version like this one with one color, and there is a slightly more complex version with two colors. So I'm going to show you how to fold this one, but it's exactly the same folding sequence. There is just this optional extra step at the beginning. So if you want two colors, we are going to make a small fold along this edge. So there isn't any exact measurement. You can make this as wide as you want. And then do the same thing on the other side. Then turn the paper to the other side, and we are going to bring this edge to this edge. Mark the fold, and unfold. Now we're going to bring this edge to this fold that we marked. Mark the fold well, and repeat on the other side. Then we'll bring this edge to this edge, but we are not going to mark the fold all the way. Instead, we just want to make a small pinch here and unfold. And see, this is just to have this small mark here. And this mark, we're going to put this tip to this mark. And mark the fold very well. Then repeat on the other side, this tip to this tip. Mark the fold well. It's important to mark very well the fold in this model because we are going to reverse some of those folds and it will be much easier. So then we will bring this edge to this edge. And again, mark the fold well. And same thing on the other side. and mark the fold. Now we're going to unfold this fold and open the model like this, and we are going to reverse some of those folds. So this one here is fine, but we are going to push here, and on the other side in the middle you push with your other finger so that you can get here to stick out, and we are going to reverse that fold here. Take your time. And we are also going to reverse that fold here. So now you should get 3 mountains, one mountain here, one mountain here, and one mountain here, and 3 valleys, one here, and one here. And then once you have the folds like this, you can close back the model and flatten it. Then we are going to take this flap and we'll bring it down, and you will notice that there's a point here where you cannot take it further. So there is this point, but you will notice that you can rotate the flap along this point. So we are going to do that. We are going to rotate the flap until this edge is roughly parallel to this edge here in the middle. So once it's parallel, just flatten and mark the fold. And we are going to repeat this on the other side. So take the flap, well, first unfold this, open the model, and again we'll reverse those folds. So we push under so that we can reverse this fold. Then we need to reverse that one as well. So take as much time as you need. Don't hesitate to pause the video if needed. And once the folds are reversed, you can flatten the model. Close it back like this. Then we bring down the flap. Again, here there's a limit, and we can rotate it so that this is parallel. Then mark the fold. Turn the model over, and your origami rocket is ready to go to the moon and back. I hope you like this easy origami space rocket. If you fold this origami rocket or any of my origami models, please send me some pictures so that I can show them in future videos. It has been a long time since I published the last video, and since then I received many photos of origami models that you have folded. Thank you so much for folding the origami and for sending me the pictures. In this video, we have photos from many countries, including Argentina, Spain, India, France, the USA, Switzerland, Ireland, Mexico, and Belgium. It's always a great pleasure for me to see the pictures that you send me from all over the world. So please keep them coming, and please also tell me in which country you live. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I publish new origami videos, and to encourage me to create new origami models. Thank you very much, and happy folding!